See, see, I have taken up till now 3 extra lectures in second year comps. That you must be agreeing with me. A couple of lectures, whenever some teacher was busy, I have voluntarily engaged, and there is a full attendance that also shows that we are going on the right track. We are going on the right track. So, continuation with the previous topics, what we have seen. Today, I will introduce the concept of negative number and how the subtraction is performed by using addition in the form of one's complement and two's complement that I am intending to cover in today's class. So before that, again, quickly we will revise the rules for addition as we have seen. Without carry, it is called as, anybody can write it in the chat box. What is this type of addition? It's called as full adder or half adder. Yes, very good, very good. Chalo, all are on toes. Very good, very good. Because we are not considering carry over here. In most of the examples, but it requires that the carry is generated and we need to take care of the third input, which is nothing but the carry in of previous addition. So the red row, which is indicated over here, is nothing but the carries of previous addition. The carries of previous addition, when we take care, it becomes a three input operation. And this is a very important question from exam point of view, to design a full adder and half adder, as we have discussed in the syllabus meeting. Okay, so you can expect a question on full adder, because full adder truth table has three inputs. This truth table, there is no need to mug up. If you have understood the addition correctly, there is a difference between XOR addition and normal OR addition. So carry and sum, like this, you can write down the truth table and write down inputs. The third input is carry in, that is Z, that is represented to simplify as C in, and sum is represented as S, and carry out is represented as C. That's how you can denote. So in order to simplify it, I told you the trick that you have to write the Boolean expression in the form of sum of products. Sum of products. Okay. So now here we have seen the places. See, this all is animated PPT that for hours together I sat and made all this type of arrangement, so that even without board you will be able to understand. So वन कहाँ कहाँ पे है वो रो आपको देखना है, और जहाँ पे जीरो है वहाँ पे बार लिखना है, और जहाँ पे वन है वहाँ पे नॉर्मल लिखना है. So x dash plus x dash into y dash into z is the first element. This is very important question. That's why I'm repeating. X dash y z and so on and so forth. We have written, and we have uh, modified it as a addition XOR operation of three gates, three variables, and that's how we have implemented. And for the carry portion, again we have noted down the places where there is a 1, and then we have noted down the expression. We have further simplified it. There was a scope for reduction of Boolean expression. We have simplified it, and then we have written it as the implementation final. So with this you will be able to score 8 marks out of 8 if this question is asked in the final exam. You can expect this level's questions in first two chapters of DLDA, and remaining four chapters COA will be theoretical. So you must score in this subject, and for which you should score out of marks in this first section of the subject, so that even in theory, even if you lose some marks in description, you do not lose and you get more than 80% of the marks. And internal evaluation, as I told, I am so happy. Out of 48, 49 students, I get response from 40 students within the stipulated time, and 10% give me in the evening, and remaining 10 whatsoever are left out, those who joined late, they gave me after studying my videos, uh, which these Google Meet recordings are available. So they solve it and they post it on the latter day. So you don't worry about the internal marks. You just be with me. Everything will be good for you. Then we have discussed about BCD. Here there were certain doubts by students, and then on personal WhatsApp chat as well as मेल आई हैव रिसीव्ड, सर बीसीडी पोर्शन हमको थोड़ा सा नहीं समझा है, व्हाई टू ऐड सिक्स वगैरह वो कंफ्यूजन है। तो मैं अभी इसको 5 मिनट के अंदर एक बार फटाफट रिपीट कर देता हूँ। So binary coded decimal is different than that of binary. First of all, you keep it in mind that BCD is different than binary. Please, please, please do not get confused between BCD and binary number. My sincere request to you all. Okay, so binary, when I want to write down 10 in binary, I write down it as 1010. But BCD में valid numbers digits क्या क्या है, 0 to 9 equivalent of its into binary. So 10 is not the valid BCD number. Okay. So what is to be written in case of BCD for 10 is that you write down 1 as a combination of 4 bits 0001, and 0 as combination of next 4 bits at 0000. If you concatenate it, the value of it may be 16 or something, but in case of BCD it is 10. So mind well the difference. Like this we can write down. These are all animated PPTs which are exclusively made for you, and many of the other division students are requesting for access. Believe me, I am recording this video, but I have to ask somebody higher up whether I can do it, because there may be some issues further. So this is what I have represented and explained yesterday. Till addition is 8, there is no question. Till addition 9 also there is no question, because till 9 it is a valid BCD. But now what happens when the addition becomes 10 or more than 10? So in that case, 1010 is not a valid BCD number. So we need to do certain correction. We need to do certain correction. And for this animated PPT is made exclusively. When you will also run this, you will actually revise my words, and easily you will be able to recall. What I have said to you is that when the binary result is greater than 9, correct the result by adding 6. So there has to be, there is an algorithm actually for BCD addition. The gist of that I have just shared with you is that in case of when BCD number is above 9, what you need to do is you need to add the bias at 6. Why to add 6 only? Some of you may be at higher level of intelligence. That question may come to your mind. You can ping me separately. I will give you entire steps how that 6 number has come, or it may come in my next slides also. But those who are least bothered, they just forget. You just keep it in mind that you have to add 6 in order to get valid BCD number. So is it correct? Is it fine? So in that case, I have explained you with this, and we have practiced two problems, and any BCD addition of 351 plus 250, or any BCD addition can be done by considering the separate 4-bit BCD numbers and adding 6 to it, and you will get the correct answer. We have practiced also couple of problems, and here, yes, in my slide also I have quoted uh, the difference for adding 6. The reason I am sharing with you the bias, why 6 ka bias we have to add, because the highest number which can go up to 15 with 4-bit combination is 1111, and for 9, which is the highest possible number in case of BCD, is 9, that is 1001. So there is a gap of 6, there is a gap of 6 count. So that gap of 6 count we have to account for it, and hence we are adding 6 to it. No book will give you explanation why 6 is to be added, but for I want to make you ready for gate and all type of higher education exams. So I have shared with you all. Some of you please target for gate, and some of you can even crack gate to get into IIT also. We don't have any lagging thing here in Palghar. As far as the teachers are concerned, all are doing great. So all of us will guide you to write down gate. So this is the very important subject from gate point of view. So I have explained you the need to add bias of 6. So how it will wrap up, everything is explained, whatever I have said in this particular slide, that you can keep it for your record. Our Google Meet records will be there in record for lifetime. So very well you can use it whenever you will go to the higher classes. So how and why, everything I have explained. We solved this as a practice problem. This part I had not taken yesterday. Why to add 6, that I have added in the slide. And then I guess we have solved 8 plus 5. We solved 8 plus 7, so on and so forth. Many things were covered yesterday. And the last point where we stopped was subtraction by using manual method. Normal binary. This is not again BCD, it is a binary number. Where you people were very easily converted, you people converted very easily the given binary number, and subtraction, the second number into the decimal number, and you have cross-checked also. This particular animation is so clear that even if a layman will read it, he will understand that when I take a borrow, since it becomes when I take a borrow. Yes, here there was confusion. I got the mails yesterday that why you have written 2. It is not 2, it is binary 10. So that is present in the slide. Some of the students have written, sir, बाइनरी में 2 कैसे आ गया. मैंने बताया उनको कि वो आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए है, तो सब्ट्रैक्शन में गलती ना हो इसके लिए. तो साइड में मैंने लिखा भी है 10. Actually it becomes 10. It is not 2. 10 is value is 2. तो 2 में से एक गया. यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन था बहुत सारे बच्चों का. मुझे मेल आया है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट students are writing mails also about their queries. And then by borrowing 2, then we have reduced it to 1 for the neighbor, because we have already used 1 out of it, and 1 is remaining. So 1, and here also 1, and last 1 minus 1 is 0. So like this you have cross-checked the answer for binary subtraction. This is a normal method, but I had told you at the time of closing that the subtraction inside the computer, it takes place as addition only, because in case of binary there are only ones and zeros. So they have devised a mechanism by which subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, uh, what you can say it as a float point number, float point negative number, multiplication of those. Everything takes place only by shift and add method. Shift and add. There are only two operations as shift. You have to shift the and add. By doing that, you can perform multiplication, you can perform division also. With this explanation, we had stopped yesterday. There were certain doubts that also I cleared here. The two what I have written considered as a binary form in the asked me in the mail, सर बाइनरी में दो कहाँ से आ गया, ऐसा मुझे यही वर्ड में क्वेरी पूछा था. So I will not take his or her name. So two as such is not coming over there. 10 is, we are taking it as 10, and from that when we subtract one, remainder is one. Okay, so this clarity everyone should uh, consider this explanation. Okay, so now we will start with ones complement and two's complement of a number. We will start with a ones complement, and what is the drawback of ones complement, that we will understand. And then what is the importance of two's complement, how the drawback of one's complement is rectified in two's complement, that we are going to discuss. And then we will start subtraction using two's complement, and then multiplication using two's complement, and in the further lectures division using two's complement, Booth's algorithm method. Okay, so this is what is the things ahead for a couple of lectures. So this will end your first module. So what is subtraction? I told you in the last class that if I want to perform x minus y, okay, x and y are the numbers, binary numbers. And if I want to perform x minus y, in reality, what we are doing is x plus x plus into bracket minus y. As I told you that uh, subtraction is nothing but in the form of addition. Now, what is minus y is our question. Our problem is now, from doing subtraction, we have come to the point that we have to do addition only. From addition, we realize that we have to add a negative number. Now, how to represent a negative number is the next challenge. How to represent in a negative number is the next challenge. That is how your software development problems you should solve one by one. From bigger problem, you should narrow it down to the lower and lower problem. I will take this opportunity that I was present, as you were all were present in that mini project discussion meeting. Even I'll be there. I'll be happy to guide some of the bright students who will be there with me till third year and final year, and we will have a good rapport. So those who are interested can mail me or ping me separately. And see, we have got a very good bonding by now, and my expertise is in uh, digital logic design, circuit designs, or maybe you can say image processing, signal processing. Okay, these are my expertise areas, database management. Then you can say devising the newer algorithm for system architecture. System architecture is one of the key domain. Those who want to actually work on the operating system, and you want to change the hardware level of the computer, so hardware level designing, that all those I will be able to guide. So those who are interested, those who develop faith with me, uh, can reserve me, and we can have a word on the phone. And if you are really interested, because some of you may be having liking towards different subjects, but if you feel that you are comfortable to deal with me, to talk with me, to share with me, I am welcome for such students, and the rapport will continue for years to come. So as we have discussed the other day, second year mini project can be extended to third year, and major project can be made in the final year. So for that I am open, and timely guidance I will be providing. So whatever I was telling is written in the word form, that yes, we can use the concept of complements. As I said you that suppose I want to perform x is equal to y minus z, then I can rewrite this as x equal to y plus complement of z. लेकिन थिंग्स इतना इजी रहता है कि बेटा लाइफ में इतना सब थिंग्स इजी रहेगा तो फिर तो हर कोई इंजीनियर बन जाएगा. आप लोग हटके हो ना बाकी साइंस कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट से, तो लाइफ इज नॉट सो इजी. यू कैन नॉट सिंपली ऐड कॉम्प्लीमेंट. जैसे हम लोगों ने देखा बीसीडी में जब तक कैरी नहीं था थिंग्स वाज इजी, बट उसमें भी दिक्कत आ रही थी. तो फिर हम लोगों ने और एक रास्ता निकाला कि भाई 6 ऐड करके हम लोग कर सकते हैं वैलिड बीसीडी. वैसे ही इसमें भी कुछ दिक्कतें आने वाली है. इसके लिए पहले तो हम लोग बेसिक समझेंगे. y माइनस जेड परफॉर्म करने का है तो मैं क्या करूंगा, y प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ जेड करूंगा. अभी व्हाट इज दिस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ जेड? इफ यू रिमेम्बर नॉट गेट, क्या करते हैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट में? जीरो है तो वन करते हैं, वन है तो जीरो करते हैं. नाउ इफ द binary number is of 4 5 bits, complement of that particular number is converting, or you can say that negating or complementing all the bits. मतलब जीरो 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 है तो उसको वन 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 करो. जीरो वन है तो इसको 1010 करो. Like that is the complementing operation, and it is also called as ones complement. Ones complement because you are actually subtracting one, so it is, the name was given as ones complement. Ones complement. ओके. सो वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट का आइडिया आपको समझा क्या? जहां पे भी जीरो है उसको वन करो, और वन है तो उसको जीरो करो. ये हो गया आपका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. बट उसके साथ मैंने क्या बताया आपको, कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम आने वाला है. क्या प्रॉब्लम आने वाला है वो आगे के साइड में देखते हैं. हम लोगों ने नैरो डाउन तो कर दिया अभी बड़ा प्रॉब्लम कि भाई सब्ट्रैक्शन है, कंप्यूटर का हार्डवेयर को तो समझता नहीं है सब्ट्रैक्शन, उसको तो खाली एडिशन समझ में आता है. वी हैव डिजाइन एडर सर्किट, वी हैव नॉट डिजाइन सब्ट्रैक्टर सर्किट बिकॉज we have to minimize the hardware requirement. So can we do the subtraction using addition? So the answer is yes. Answer is yes. What I said you? I said you that you add the complement of a number. उसके बाद मैंने प्रॉब्लम और नैरो डाउन किया. मैंने क्या बताया आपको? मैंने ये बताया कि जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है, जो वन है उसको जीरो करो, जीरो है उसका वन करो, और जो नंबर आएगा उसको ऐड करना है. यहाँ तक समझ में आया सबको? लेट मी सी द चैट बॉक्स एंड लेट मी सी वेदर concept is understood. Opposite of bit somebody has written already. Yes. क्या बात है, understood. Very good, very good. Yeah, very good. तो हम लोगों ने कैसा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम को छोटा छोटा करते गए. सबसे पहले तो निगेटिव नंबर का अपने को सब्ट्रैक्शन का प्रॉब्लम आया, तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि भाई एडिशन को ही यूज करो. एडिशन को यूज करना है तो क्या करो, ऐड विथ निगेटिव नंबर. निगेटिव नंबर कैसे करेंगे? चलो भाई कॉम्प्लीमेंट करके देखते हैं उसमें क्या दिक्कत आती है, वो आगे वाले स्लाइड में देखते हैं. Like this we have solved, this is called as the problem solving approach. With this problem solving approach, this is what you can modularize the given problem into the small things, and then you address small things, automatically the big problem gets solved. So like this, uh, we have started with the fundamental of subtraction. So with this very sound background, मैं आपका ऐसा तैयार करूंगा कि आगे के सब्जेक्ट से जैसे आपको इसके आगे का वर्जन आएगा, सीओए का वर्जन, नेक्स्ट वर्जन आएगा माइक्रो प्रोसेसर, हाउ माइक्रो प्रोसेसर वर्क्स। तो अगर आपको ये सब अरिथमेटिक समझा तो माइक्रो प्रोसेसर कैसे काम करता है, इंस्ट्रक्शन सेट क्या होते हैं, वो इतना इजीली समझेगा आपको। हेक्स नंबर, हेक्स नंबर का मशीन लेवल लैंग्वेज में कैसा करना है, वो इतना इजीली समझेगा आपको कि आप लोग बहुत एंजॉय करने लगोगे इंजीनियरिंग को। तो मैंने आपको फंडामेंटल से बताया कि भाई सब्ट्रैक्शन में कॉम्प्लीमेंट का जरूरत क्या है, यहाँ से मैंने बताया आपको। तो ऑल आर ऑन द सेम पेज, 40 responses I received in the chat box. So I will continue by subtraction via complements. We will not take so many things on the same day. We will cut short with the introduction of subtraction via complements. Once complement and two's complement we will write down, and we will close. We will not go in harsh, will not go fast. Material is available. You once again go through it so that subtraction using complements will be easy to you. And then subtraction you have to use in case of Booth's algorithm for multiplication and division. Okay, so this is a very important topic. Those who want to score full marks in the first two modules. First two modules are completely numerical based. Completely numerical based. Explain Booth's algorithm with suitable example, like that is you call it as theory or you call it as analytical or a numerical, it is one and the same. So all are derivations and numericals. So you can score full marks in this. So remaining theory, even if you get less, you will score more. Okay. So now we will come to one's complement as I explained. Now अभी मैंने आप लोगों को इतना इजी वे में समझा दिया है कि आपको ये टेक्स्ट अभी बहुत इजीली डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा। ये जो मैंने स्लाइड बनाया है वो थोड़ा हायर लेवल ऑफ कॉग्निजेंस के लिए बनाया है। थोड़ा बच्चों को, थोड़ा मैं लेवल हाई रखता हूँ तो बच्चे बराबर से कोप अप करना सीख जाते हैं डिफिकल्टी को। इन जनरल मैंने लिखा है कॉम्प्लीमेंट, रेडिक्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट। रेडिक्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब है अभी अपना बाइनरी में रेडिक्स कितना है, आप लोगों को सबको मैंने सिखाया है। बाइनरी में रेडिक्स है 2, हेक्साडेसिमल में रेडिक्स है 16, ऑक्टल में रेडिक्स है 8, और डेसिमल में रेडिक्स है 10। तो आई एम टीचिंग यू लिटिल इन जनरल r's complement, that is 2's complement. What you understand as of now, we are working on binary arithmetic, BCD arithmetic. So we will be talking about, it will be represented as what is base or the radix of binary, it's 2. So it is 2's complement, or diminished radix complement, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1's complement. Now, which I explained to you up till now, I explained two's complement or one's complement. I explained you r minus one's complement, that is one's complement. I explained you r minus one, that is one's complement. Is it fine? I have explained you one's complement. I have not yet explained you two's complement. इन जनरल कैसा है बेटा, आप लोगों में से कुछ लोग हायर स्टडीज को जाएंगे तभी वो एग्जाम में पूछ लेते हैं गिव द टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द नंबर, गिव द नाइन्थ कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द नंबर। देन आप लोगों को लगता है कि ये तो हमने कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं, लेकिन ये मैं इन जनरल बता दिया है कि दिस इज व्हाट Now when it is base 10, it is tens complement and nines complement. Okay. So we are now studying binary. So it is two's complement and one's complement. Okay. So same thing I have written here. So I will tell from simple to complex. I would like to go as I told you. What is nines complement of decimal number? Nines complement of a decimal number is obtained. Suppose the number given is 546700. अभी नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब क्या है बेटा? It is just the subtraction of each digit from 9. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4. That is how you get 9's complement. Am I clear? Am I clear? Write it in the chat box. Yes. Yes, yes, very good, very good. क्या बच्चे हैं, superb, superb, absolutely superb. और उसमें अगर मैं एक ऐड कर देता हूं तो क्या होता है और ये क्यों जरूरी है, ये आपको समझ में आएगा. आई एम श्योर आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा. एंड इन ऑर्डर टू गेट टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, इन ऑर्डर टू गेट टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, I will simply add one decimal 1 to the nines complement. So that is what I am going from simple to complex. You people are familiar with decimal number, so I have deliberately taken nines and tens complement so that ones and twos complement will be easy for you. तो मैंने क्या किया बेटा, टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट अगर मुझे फाइंड करना है तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, सिंपली जो भी मेरा यहाँ पे देखो 453299 जो आंसर आया था ना, उसमें अगर मैं एक ऐड कर देता हूँ, मैं अगर एक ऐड कर देता हूँ तो वो बन गया मेरा टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. और अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे अच्छे से तो this is very very useful in finding the subtraction, or it is representing the other number in the form of a negative of the number. बहुत ही जबरदस्त कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने बताया है, वो भी एकदम स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एकदम जोरदार कॉन्सेप्ट बताया है, वो भी एकदम स्टेप बाय स्टेप. जो नंबर था उसका मुझे कॉम्प्लेक्स मिल गया है. As of now, you don't worry, we are not working on tens and nines complement. This is just to understand the concept of nines complement and tens complement. Is very very useful in representing the नेगेटिव ऑफ द नंबर. नेगेटिव ऑफ द नंबर इसमें कैसा करते हैं वो अभी मैंने डिस्कस नहीं किया है, मैंने खाली आपको नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया है. आप लोगों को नाइन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट समझा तो ही हम बाइनरी वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट में बढ़ते हैं, नहीं तो हम लोग 10 मिनट यहाँ पे डिस्कशन करेंगे. आई डोंट माइंड. यस, +1 मतलब ही इज ऑल्सो एग्री. नाइन्थ कॉम्प्लीमेंट में क्या किया मैंने, हर एक डिजिट को इंडिविजुअली 9 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. जो नंबर मिला उसमें +1 ऐड किया, वो बन गया मेरा टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Please write in the chat box whether you understood ninth complement and tenth complement. Yes, but yes, very fast response. Very good. Absolutely, absolutely good. Absolutely good. इसका यूज कैसे होता है देखो, मैंने आपको जो बताया निगेटिव नंबर, इसका मैं थोड़ा हिंट दे देता हूँ आपको. हाउ इट इज यूजफुल इन सब्ट्रैक्शन, दिस यू कैन read it from your own, but for this with the binary ones and twos complement, the idea will be even clearer. अभी इसका मुझे, मैंने क्या लिखा है ये देखो, ये चीज जरा समझने की कोशिश करो. जो भी नंबर दिया है उसका टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, it is as good as subtracting from 10 lakh. I am subtracting from 10 lakh. These are both are decimal numbers. Mind well, it is not binary number. It is actually, if I am subtracting the original number, then I get the tens complement. So this is how the numbers in the form of complement are useful while calculating the subtraction. Please understand this. Please understand this. I have just given you the hint as how the negative numbers are represented by using the complement of a number. So with this background, we'll just solve one problem. Minuend given 72,532. The second number is given as 3250. Since we have to make both the digits as 5 digits, so I have appended 0 to 3250. Now, as I have given you the hint, don't worry, even if you don't understand this for your course, it is ones and twos complement. But I want to make your fundamentals clear so that you don't face any difficulty while understanding ones and twos complement. I have given you simple illustration for tens and nines complement. So with that, the further topic will be easy for you to digest. And even don't worry, you can watch this recorded lecture later on. And also, I will repeat once again with the fresh mood at the beginning of the lecture as per our practice. Okay, so this is the other number 3250. So I have found out the ninth complement and then I added 1. So the second number, I have got it. I have got it as 96750. ये जो नंबर था ना 03250 का, उसका टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा. और इसको मुझे क्या करना है अभी, मैंने क्या बताया आपको? यस, इफ यू रिमेम्बर, मैंने क्या बताया? टेंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेके उसको जो पहला नंबर है उसमें ऐड करना है. उसमें क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. ओके, don't worry even if you don't understand, because it may be heavy for you today. We have seen many things. Just for 5 minutes, I will complete this numerical and I will repeat it once again for those who have not understood. And then we will go for actual subtraction by using two's complement. It is the same step as that of tens and nines complement. We people are familiar to deal with decimal numbers. So I have taken decimal ka example. Same steps you have to apply for twos and ones complement for binary subtraction. So don't worry, it is just the beginning. We'll take more lectures for understanding this. So now what I will do the given number 72532 what was given to you, and I will add. What I will do, I will add. I will add the number which I have represented in the form of tens complement, that is nothing but a negative of that particular number, and I will try to get the sum. I will try to get the sum. 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 7 is 12, carry 1. Similarly, 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9, and 9 plus 7 is 16. So 6 with carry occurred as 1. Are you clear up till now? Are you clear up till now what I am speaking? Or you can write it as percentage, that only this much percentage I understood. You need to explain once again with the fresh mood that you tell me in the chat box, so that if it is getting overdose, we will stop, or else we will finish this problem. Just tell me in the chat box. I am open. You know my nature, how open I am with you all. You can frankly write it in the chat box, whatever you feel. Okay, understood, understood. Bharat Mari is saying little. Don't worry, Bharat. We are going to see it once again. You absolutely don't worry. The concept is since it is an algorithm. It is a algorithm. You people are familiar with the algorithm steps. What we perform, and we are going to make it generalized for any compliments. Understood. Many are saying understood. It's really great sign. The first attempt only you are able to understand. It's really great. So now we were here. Yes, here. So we were here. Yes, carry occurred. The occurrence of end of carry says that m is greater than n. So discard end carry. इसका मतलब क्या है, जब भी कैरी जनरेट होता है वो क्या बोल रहा है कि पहला नंबर बड़ा नंबर है, तो आप लोगों को कैरी को थ्रो कर देना है। जो आंसर आया जो आंसर आया वो एज इट इज आपका आपका आंसर है। प्लीज चेक all of you whether you are getting the same answer by using normal subtraction. I will also do it for you. 72532 minus 3250 69282। ये अल्गोरिदम क्या बोल रहा है, अगर कैरी जनरेट हुआ तो आंसर पॉजिटिव है, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है। और एक केस देखेंगे हम लोग जहां पे पहला नंबर बड़ा है और दूसरा नंबर छोटा है, तो आंसर निगेटिव है, ये कैसे कंप्यूटर को समझेगा। उसके लिए भी और एक एग्जांपल देखेंगे। एंड सेम स्टेप्स वी विल फॉलो फॉर बाइनरी सब्ट्रैक्शन। यू विल इजीली ग्रास्प इट वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड डेसिमल। अभी मुझे बताओ, हम लोगों ने बिना निगेटिव नंबर यूज किए, बिना सब्ट्रैक्शन किए, सब्ट्रैक्शन परफॉर्म करके दिखाया कि नहीं दिखाया। हम लोगों ने सब्ट्रैक्शन किया हम लोगों ने, लेकिन एक्चुअल में क्या किया हम लोगों ने एडिशन किया। आंसर क्या मिला हम लोगों को, सब्ट्रैक्शन मिला। तो दैट is what is the crux of this algorithm, that you are complementing the second negative number, and you are just adding, and still you are getting the सब्ट्रैक्शन, इतना इम्पोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है ये, इतना इम्पोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है ये. As a mathematician, those who like mathematics, they can also see the beauty of this algorithm, that you are actually adding and you are getting the negative, the subtraction. कितना बढ़िया है. तो यहाँ पे मैं स्टॉप करूंगा. यहाँ पे मैं स्टॉप करूंगा. अभी जाते जाते खाली आप लोगों को क्या करना है,